channel and then coaching center. So today I'm going to explain your chemistry 4th chapter, chemical kinetics. So let's come to the chapter chemical kinetics. So the branch of chemistry which deals with the chemical ratio, the factor affecting the rate of ratio and mechanism of the ratio is called as chemical kinetics. And chemical reactions on the basis of rate of reaction. So three types are there: fast instantaneous reaction, chemical reaction which completes in less than 1 ps, means 10 to the power 12 seconds time, is known as fast reaction. And slow reaction, chemical reaction which completes in a long time for some minutes to some years, is called as slow reaction. It is called a slow reaction. And moderately slow reaction, slow reaction, chemical reaction which are intermediately between slow and fast, is called as the moderately slow reaction. These are the three types of basic reaction. Next is rate of reaction. So rate of chemical reaction, is the change in the concentration of any one of the reactants or products per unit time. It is expressed by mole, meter square, by anything it can be expressed like this. For chemical reaction, AB by BB minus EC by DD. So average rate of reaction is equal to 1 by delta C, 1 by C by delta C by delta T is equal to 1 by D delta D by delta T. Rate of disappearance of A is delta A by delta T. Next is rate of disappearance of P is delta P by delta T. Rate of appearance of C is delta C by delta T, and rate of appearance of T is delta D by delta T. Like this is the rate of appearance and disappearance. Next is instantaneous rate of reaction. So the rate of a chemical reaction at a particular moment of time is known as instantaneous rate of reaction. And for reaction, R is equal to minus delta R by delta T or delta P by delta T. R is equal to minus delta R by dt by is equal to delta dP by dt. Methods, these are the methods of measuring reaction rate: pH measurement, change of optical activity, or change in pressure, change in conductance. Next are factor affecting. So this time as an exam, what are the factors they are? Factors affecting rate of reaction or nature and concentration of reactant, temperature, surface area of the reactant, radiation and radiation and catalyst, pressure and gas. Next is rate law expression. According to law of mass action for chemical reaction, AA plus BB is the products, and AA is equal to constant A. Rate of A by B is equal to constant A by A. So therefore rate of K, if A is equal to B is equal to 1. Units of rate of constant of spectrum radiation is K is equal to 1 by time into 1 by concentration, A minus 1 whole square, A minus N minus 1. So characteristics, what are the characteristics of rate of constants? Are greater of the value of the rate constant. Faster is the reaction. Each reaction has a particular value of the rate constant at a particular temperature it has, and the value of the rate constant of the same reaction changes with the temperature. It changes with temperature, and the value of the rate constant for the reaction does not depend upon the concentration of the reactants. And next is order of reaction and molecular reaction. So difference they are given. First is order of reaction is the sum of the concentration terms on which rate of reaction actually depends, or we can say it as, it is also defined as sum of the exponents of the molecular concentrate in the rate law equation. Molecularity of reaction is reaction is the number of atoms, ions and molecules that must collide with one another to form products in a chemical reaction. Next is order of reaction. It can be fraction as well as zero. The order of reaction. Molecularity of reaction, it can be zero or fraction. And order of reaction, it is a experimental determined term. And this molecular reaction, it is theoretically determined term. And order of reaction is applicable to elements as well as complex reactions. And molecular reaction is applicable only for the element reaction. Next, negativity order reaction is also possible sometimes, and molecularity can never be negative. And types of reaction depends upon orders, zero order reaction, first, second, like this. And types of reaction depends upon molecularity, how much molecular, bimolecular, tri termimolecular, on that depends. Next, let us integrate equation of zero order reaction. So k by 0 is equal to 1 by t, a0 minus a. So t is equal to t by 1 by t 1 by 2 when a is equal to a0 by 2. Therefore half life period t1 by 2 is equal to a0 by 2 k0. So k0 is equal to 1 by t, p0 minus p, and t by 2 is equal to p0 minus by 2 k0. So therefore k1 is equal to 2.303 by t. Therefore a0 is equal to a by 0. Half time period is it is concentrated independent term, that is t is equal to t by root 2 by 1 by 2 by a by is equal to a by 2. Next, amount of the substance after n half lives. So AO by 2n H 1 by 1 T1 by 2 is equal to 0.698 H1, sorry, K1. So therefore for such reaction T 75% is equal to 2 into T 50%, T 99.9% is equal to 10 into T1 by 2. All radioactivity changes follow the first order of kinetics and integrates rate equation for first order gaseous reaction. Initial pressure at T. So P atom by P 0 O minus P. So therefore K1 is equal to 2.303 by T log P0 by 2 P0 minus P1. So therefore K1 is equal to 2.303 by T log V is minus V0, V minus V1. So okay friends, here it is enough. I will explain the other topics in my next video. So till here you understand, I think so. So okay friends, like the video, comment on video, and subscribe my channel and coaching center for more video. I will explain the next topic in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice time. Bye my friends.